Bola.
Please, come on radio station. They went out on a drive, but in addition to that, there was a lot of requests from the public at large to give individual members of the public. It's not in 2000, that's a lot of money. People in Fiji right now.
It's just a little thing to go on.
Oh, thank you.
Address the immediate needs.
Thank you, Excellency. Thank you very much.
This is equal to 5 million Solomon. The strength of your dollar.
No.
It's well, they will, go with the immediate assistance anyway. The most of the problems. I think this is the real thing.
Thank you, Excellency.
This is the red back.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister. I'd like to thank you, through you, Mr. Prime Minister, the government and the people of the Solomon Islands. I'd like to thank you on behalf of the government of Fiji, and especially those that were affected by the hurricane in the last couple of weeks. And I know that this will go towards a long way towards helping them establish themselves back to where they were before and help in the relief work. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. Commissioner, thank you.